video here of some of the trends I've been seeing lately on the market. So looking at some of the volumes, you've seen Bitcoin Cash has really taken off. Bitcoin Cash is now almost has the same amount of volume as Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been showing quite a bit of trading activity here recently. So you know, there's some different reasons for that, and that's kind of one of the things I wanted to talk about. Before I left California, we were really interested in Bitcoin Cash. It doesn't have a lot of use case scenarios, so the volumes don't really make a whole lot of sense for you know, the average everyday trader. I mean, it's not something that's really widely used. So for a lot of people looking at the markets, Bitcoin Cash doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So the one thing I wanted to kind of mention is this was something that we were using on our bot server in California. We were actually trading some of the different Bitcoin Cash pairs as they came available. So mining is going to be more profitable with Bitcoin Cash. Some different, you know, kind of pump and dump schemes where you have you know, larger players that are coming to the market. I think the whale trading, or some of the higher volume of trading that we're seeing with Bitcoin Cash, is more related to some of the bot trading. And so that's a trend that we're seeing on the market. Why that may be happening? You know, Bitcoin Cash is still very speculative. People are not really sure, you know, what the price of that coin is going to be in comparison to Bitcoin, since we've seen just a really big rise with Bitcoin. You know, it was, you know, roughly around 3,000. Now it's really shot up. It's been at about 4,500. I see it as a pretty volatile coin to be in, and I think you're seeing some of the volumes in the market shift a little bit. NEO, or what was formerly known as Ant shares, it's about fourth in terms of volume on CoinMarketCap, and I think we're seeing a lot of trading activity in China and some of the other you know, Eastern Asian countries. I've been asked about another coin, Binance. The code is BNB. This is a coin that actually is only traded on the Binance exchange. You're seeing that some of the different pairs that it's being traded on, you're seeing quite a bit of volume behind it. I think this is more of a coin that they're using in replacement of Bitcoin, because of some of the different problems that we've seen when you're trading Bitcoin on a larger scale. This is an exchange that's out of China. So the other exchange that is being traded on is Ether Delta. The price and the market scares me a little bit, so this is one that I didn't necessarily recommend getting into, at least at this point. I want to see a little bit more on how it trends, but it definitely has quite a bit of volume behind it. It's been you know, 2 to 300 million in terms of their market cap. So in the volume of trading, it's been in the top 10. Litecoin and Ripple are still performing very well. These are coins that have been in the marketplace for a very long time, very saturated, and so I think that with some of the different volatility that we're seeing in some of these other coins, Litecoin and Ripple seem to be a good hedge.